Okay, let's go find your music class. Where is it? Keep going.
The fishies!
What do the fishies do?
They're swimming! Wow!
Wow.
Yeah, they're stones.
Okay, where's your music class? Do you know where your music class is?
They're eat the house.
They're eating the house.
Yeah.
Okay, where's the kids? Where's your music class?
There's.
Come on, it's this way.
Okay. There.
Okay, go ahead.
We're glad you made it. Let's go ahead. Well, maybe we'll give a note both times. We won't be here next week. So
Okay. Okay, sit down
Hey,
there.
JR, you ready for music? When we scheduled our